Most people get this wrong. They choose a bank just because it is nearby, or because their family uses it. But here's the truth, no one tells you. The bank you choose can directly affect your fees, your savings growth, your loan approvals, and even your long-term financial stability. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is picking a bank without understanding how it fits your financial life. In this video, you are going to learn the 5 most important factors you must check before choosing a bank. Not theory. Real-world decision points that can save you money and prevent future problems. And here's why this matters. Once you open accounts, switching banks later can be time-consuming and stressful. So making the right choice from the beginning is extremely important. Let's start right away. The first factor is fees and hidden charges. Most people think banking is free, but that is not true. Many banks charge monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees, overdraft fees, and even minimum balance penalties. For example, imagine Alex opens a bank account without checking fees. A few months later, he notices small monthly deductions he didn't expect. Over time, these add up. But here's the problem. These fees are often buried in terms and conditions that people never read. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some banks offer zero-fee accounts if you meet simple conditions like direct deposits or minimum balances. So the goal is not just low fees, but transparent and predictable fees. The second factor is accessibility and convenience. A bank should make your life easier, not harder. This includes ATM availability, mobile app quality, customer support, and branch locations. For example, Jake lives in a city where his bank has very few ATMs. Every time he withdraws cash, he pays extra fees. That small inconvenience becomes a long-term frustration. Now here's the key insight. In 2026, digital banking is just as important as physical banking. A strong mobile app can save you hours of time every month. But here's the mistake many people make. They ignore app quality and focus only on physical branches. That can limit your financial flexibility. The third factor is interest rates and savings benefits. Not all banks help your money grow at the same rate. Savings accounts, fixed deposits, and money market accounts can vary significantly between banks. For example, John chooses a bank with a low savings interest rate because it was convenient. Over time, he realizes his money could have earned much more elsewhere. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even a small difference in interest rate can make a big impact over years of saving. So if you plan to keep money in savings, choosing a bank with competitive interest rates becomes very important. The fourth factor is loan and credit options. If you ever plan to buy a house, a car, or start a business, your bank relationship matters. Banks often give better loan terms to existing customers with strong account history. For example, Sarah has been with her bank for several years. When she applies for a personal loan, she gets faster approval and better interest rates compared to new customers. But here's the problem. Many people choose banks only for savings without thinking about future borrowing needs. Now here's the smart approach. Think long-term. Your bank should support your future goals, not just your current needs. The fifth factor is customer service quality. This is one of the most overlooked factors, but it becomes extremely important when something goes wrong. Imagine Alex faces a suspicious transaction. He calls customer support, but no one responds quickly. That creates stress and delays resolution. Now here's where it gets interesting. Good customer service is not just about speed. It is about clarity, problem-solving ability, and availability across multiple channels like chat, phone, and email. Banks with strong support systems save you time and reduce financial stress in emergencies. Now let's connect everything together. Choosing a bank is not just about opening an account. It is about choosing a long-term financial partner. Let's quickly review the 5 factors. First, understand fees and avoid hidden charges. Second, check accessibility and digital banking quality. Third, compare interest rates and savings benefits. Fourth, think about loan and credit opportunities. And fifth, evaluate customer service quality. But here's the deeper insight most people miss. A bank is not just a place to store money. It is a system that influences how you manage, grow, and access your money. If you choose poorly, you may lose money in fees, miss better interest earnings, or face delays in financial emergencies. If you choose wisely, your banking experience becomes smoother, cheaper, and more rewarding. Now here's a simple strategy you can use right away. Before opening any bank account, compare at least 2 or 3 banks using these 5 factors. Don't rush the decision. Spend a little time up front to save yourself years of inconvenience. And always think beyond convenience. Think about long-term financial fit. To wrap it all up, the best bank is not the one everyone uses. It is the one that aligns with your lifestyle, your financial habits, and your future goals. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment with your biggest banking question, and subscribe for more simple financial guides that help you make smarter money decisions every day.